I just wanted to take a few moments of your time just to tell you about the Ultimate Ceramics course. This has been up and running for a while now, and so this has proved to be a hugely popular course. In my opinion, what we try and do at the Institute is give you all the tools that you need. So obviously we have the BioClear composite courses which educate you and give you the practical skills in composite dentistry. But what I find increasingly is that many dentists are really not confident in ceramics. So basically that's why we developed this course, to try and give you both the theory but also plenty of practical experience in ceramics. The course is also presented with my technician Michael, who I've worked with for over a decade now. So we look at both the clinical aspects of ceramics, but also the laboratory aspects of ceramics, and also the role of CAD/CAM. So during this course, what will we look at? We will look at all aspects of ceramic dentistry. So we will very much focus on Emax, and we will very much focus on zirconia. And we will look at how we can use those materials for single units, for bridges, both conventional and adhesive, and we'll look at onlays, and we'll look at posterior and anterior use and the uses of these materials. Finally, what's equally important is we'll look at bonding techniques, we'll look at temporization, and we'll really try and give you protocols that you can put into your clinical practice to give you the confidence to use these new materials. These new materials are fantastic because what they can give you is the durability and the predictability, but also the high-end aesthetics that a lot of patients desire. And underpinning it all will be providing these materials in the most minimally invasive and most predictable manner that you can.